Welcome to UCC Restaurant. How can I help you today?
Hi, I wish to reserve a table.
Sure. Is this for a function or just a table? May I ask your name and contact number and how many people are coming?
Okay, sir. My name is David Ramos. And my contact number is 0912-845-718. And how about the person?
Alright. Let me check if you can an available table.
Okay, sir.
Yes, you can accommodate you. May I know your name for the reservation?
David Ramos.
Sure, thank you. Next, may I also get your contact number and address, please?
Okay, sir. My contact number is 0912-845-878. And my address is 71 Sapagina Street, 7800.
Thank you. What would you like kind of service? We have really set menu a la carte and our prices.
I like Alabama.
Great, great. Let's meet it. This is my family.
Okay, sir.
To confirm your reservation, you have us 50% deposit. Your remaining balance can be paid on the day.
Okay, sir. The deposit by card.
Perfect. Your reservation is set for August 13th at 7 p.m. for 2 persons. And your name is Sharon Campos and your contact number is 913 and your service type is a la carte. Is that right?
Yes, sir. That's right.
Thank you. Have a nice day.